Hello everyone, this is my next video. Today I am going to explain Leetcode question number 118, Pascal's triangle. Basically, the Pascal triangle is a triangular array of the binomial coefficients. Okay, what is given question? Given an integer nums row, return the first nums row of Pascal triangle. In Pascal's triangle, each row is the sum of two nums directly above it is as shown. Means they given integer nums row. We need to return the first nums row of Pascal's triangle. Okay. See, they told sum of two numbers is directly above. You can observe that this 2 is coming after adding these two. Okay. This 3 coming after adding these two. This 3 coming after adding these 2 plus 1. This 4 is coming by adding 3 plus 1. This 6 is coming after adding these 3. 4 is coming after adding these 3 and 1. Okay. Now we can go with the example 1. They given nums row 5. We need to return the first row of all its nums. Okay. Here 1 1, here 1 1, here 1 1 means this 1 1, 1 2 1 means this 1 2 1 we need to print, and 1 3 3 1 this one, and 1 4 6 4 1 we need to return. In example 2, they given nums of row 1. We need to return output as 1. Okay. Let's briefly understand in the whiteboard. So you can observe in the diagram. See, first row is having number 1. And second row having elements 2, and third row having elements 3, and fourth row having elements 4, in fifth row having elements 5. We come on idea that if there are n rows means we are having n elements. Okay, what happened here you can observe. See here, first row having a number and second row having two numbers, and you can observe that each row having first column and last column having 1. See in this row, in all the rows, first column and last column having one number. We initialize it. Okay. After that, after adding these two numbers, we are getting this number. After adding these two numbers, we are getting this number. After adding these two numbers, we are getting this number. After adding 1 and 3, we are getting 4. After adding these 3, we are getting 6. After adding these 3 and 1, we are getting 4. You can observe that it is happening Pascal's triangle. We need to return the first sum of all the rows. This 1, this 1 1, and 1 2 1, and 1 3 3 1, and 1 4 6 4 1. We need to print. Okay. We can enter into coding part. How it is going to work, we can discuss this. Here we created a 2D vector of answer size nums row to store the binomial coefficients. Okay. We taken one starting as an empty vector. Okay. After that, we started to iterate the for loop. It will traverse up to the nums row to fill the answer vector. Okay. After that, what we are doing, for each row I of the triangle, we are resizing the vector to have I plus 1 elements. After that, first and last element of each row I is set to 1. You can observe, see, first column and last column of each row we are set at 1. After that, we are iterating the inner for loop with the variable j equals to 1. It starts from first element. Okay. It will travels up to the ith. After that, we are calculating the uh, sum of previous row I minus 1 at the position of j minus 1 and j. After completing of iterating all the elements, we are returning finally the answer. Let's try run the code now. See what I am doing here. Starting our I value starts from 0, it will travels up to 0 less than 5 in this example. Okay. Now what I am doing, I am answer of 0, I am resizing. Here 0 plus 1 is 1, and there will be one size I will be created. Okay. Next what I am doing, I am storing answer of here I is 0, 0 of 0 is equals to 1. Means I am storing 1. Okay. Now I will enter into the inner for loop. Here inner for loop j will start from 1. It will travels up to 1 is less than 0. This condition is false. So we are not entering into this for loop. Okay. Now our I value will be updated to 1. 1 is less than 5. Yeah, this condition is true. So now we are what doing? We are resizing. Means here answer of 1 dot resize I plus 1 means here 1 plus 1 2. There will be 2 size now. Now here I is 1. Answer of 1 0, 1 0 and answer of 1 1 are being stored as 1 1. This is 0 0. This is 1 0 1 1. Okay. Now I is updated to 2. 2 is less than 5. Now we are resizing. Your answer of 2 resize 2 plus 1 is 3. Now there will come 3 size. Okay. These are with 2 0, 2 1, 2 2. Now say after that answer of 2 0 equals to answer of 2 2 will be stored 1. Here 2 0 and 2 2 will be stored 1. Now we are entering into inside for loop. Here j will start from 1. It will travels up to 1 is less than 2. Yeah, this condition is true. Now we are updating this one. Now answer of I is 2. Here j is 1. Here answer of I minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. J minus 1 is 0 plus answer of I minus 1 is 1. Here j is 1. See, answer of 1 0 means we need to take this one. Answer of 1 1 means we need to take this one. After that we should add and we need to store in 2 comma 1. 1 comma 1 is 1 plus 1 is 2. We are adding it 2 1. Okay. Now j is updated to 2. Where 2 is less than 2. This condition is false. We will come out of this for loop. We will increment j. Now j is incremented to 3 where 3 is less than 5. This condition is true. So now what we are doing? We are resizing. Answer of 3, resize of 3 plus 1, 4. Means 4 size will come now. This is 3 0, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3. Okay. Answer 3 0 equals to answer 3 3 will be stored 1. 3 0 and 3 3 will be stored 1. Okay. Now j will start from 1. 1 is less than 3. This condition is true. So now we are updating. Answer 3 1 will be now. Answer 3 minus 1 is 2. Answer 2. Here j is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 0. I minus 1 is means 3 minus 1 is 2. J is 1. Now we are adding previous row of here 2 0 and 2 1. We are adding these two. 1 plus 2 is 3. We are storing in 3 1. Okay. Now j value is updated to 2 where 2 is less than 3. This condition is true. Now answer 3 2 will be now. Answer here 3 minus 1 is 2. Here 2 minus 1 is 1 plus answer 3 minus 1 is 2. J is here j is 2. 2 comma 1 means this one and 2 comma 2 this one. We are adding now. 2 plus 1 is 3. We are storing in 3 comma 2. Now j is updated to 3. We see 3 less than 3 will become. This condition is false. So we will come out of this for loop. Now I is updated to 4 where 4 is less than 5. This condition is true. So we are resizing. Your answer of 4 will be resized to 4 plus 1 is 5. It will become 5. This will be 4 0, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4. Okay. Now what we are doing? Your answer of 4 0 and answer of 4 4. We are storing 1. Now we are entering in the inner for loop. Here inner for loop will start from j equals to 1. Here 1 is less than 4. This condition is true. So we are updating. Now answer here I is 4 and j is 1. Okay. Next answer of I minus 1 means 4 minus 1 is 3. J minus 1 is 0, 3 0. Next answer of I minus 1 is 4 minus 1 is 3. J is 1. Now 3 0 and 3 1 are adding. Here 3 0 is 1, 3 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. We are storing in 4 comma 1. Now j is updated to 2. where 2 is less than 4. This condition is true. Now answer of 4, 2. Now we are checking here. Now we are adding this. Here answer of 4 minus 1 is 3. J minus 1 here. J is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. J is 2. Now we are adding the previous row of 3, 1 and 3, 2. Here 3 plus 3 is 6. We are storing in 4, 2. Now J is incremented to 3. Now condition is 3 is less than 4 will become. Yeah, this condition is true. Now answer 4, 3. Now we'll add answer of 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. Here J is 3. Now we are adding 3, 2 of previous row and 3, 3 of previous row. 3 plus 1, 4. We are storing. Our answer 4, 3 will be 4. Okay. Now J value will be updated to 4. 4 is less than 4. This condition is false. So we will come out of this for loop. Now we are updating I to 5. Now condition will become 5 is less than 5. This condition will become false. We will come out of this for loop. We are returning the answer of this. Now we are returning 1 and this row 1, 1 and this row 1, 2, 1 and this row 1, 3, 3, 1 and fifth row 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Okay, this is the logic of this code. We can run the code now. Yeah, this is accepted. Now we can submit the code. Yeah, this is accepted solution. We can understand the time complexity and space complexity of this logic. The time complexity is taking big of n log n, because here we are iterating the n rows, it is taking n time, and gradually we are increasing the size. So it is taking logarithmically, it will be increasing here. Okay. So it is taking time of big of n log n. Where it comes to the space complexity, it is taking big of n log n. Because we are increasing the size 1, after increasing size 2, gradually we are increasing the space by step by step. So it is taking the space of big of n log n. Thank you guys for watching my video.